welcome back to my channel. My name is Shara. If you're new to this, I'm just starting out my YouTube channel creating all the inspiring makeup tutorial. But today I'm gonna show you guys the trend right now, which is Bella Hadid inspired high ponytail. This look, it's so vintage 90s. I love it. And in a previous video I did Bella Hadid inspired 90s makeup. I'm gonna link down below for you guys to check it out. And I did the same hairstyle to go with the makeup. So as per request from you guys, I am showing you guys how I did this Bella Hadid inspired high ponytail trend. So let's get started. Okay, you need a little bit of oil, so I am going to use this coconut oil that I got it in Bali. I know the people there, so they just kind of helped me to get this coconut oil at a very cheap price than those retail that you see in the Bali store. So yeah, and it's 100% pure, because they often say that those that sell in the Bali retail stores, most of the time they kind of mix other ingredients. It's not 100% pure coconut oil. I'm just gonna smooth my hair, just let it have a little bit of oil, then it's easier for us to do it. I'm just gonna brush it through. Then we're gonna need this kind of brush. I'm just gonna realign the line because it's like a high pony side part trend, so you definitely need a lot more from the side. And just go over and spray. This is a wave spray. Kind of like fix my hair. Going to this one. This is called this is a hairstyling stick. I got it from Japan. They have like beauty store, and people was telling me that how good this is to comb your baby hair, to make sure that everything is like in place. So I went on to get it and try, and yeah, it actually really works. I got a lot of baby hair too, so basically I'm just like combing out to the way I want it. Especially this part, I need to be clean and slick. Make sure that everything sticks to my hair. Moving on, I am going back again. I'm just gonna tighten up the first time just to know where I want to like kind of fix my hair with my product, and then I'm just gonna go ahead to apply the products to kind of like fix it. So after this second, it will look more sleek and more tied up here. And now we're gonna fix this one. So for this one, because I have a little baby hair, what I do is I go back to this one. I'm using my finger. I'm just gonna make sure that everything is in place. I'm going over, and then I'm just going all the way in. Once I fix my ponytail, I'm going to use my color just to curl at the end. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy how I create this Bella Hadid inspired high ponytail trend. I'm so obsessed with this hairstyle. I love it so much. I can't wait for the quarantine to be over and wear this look. It is so quick and easy. It literally just took me less than 5 minutes to finish this hairstyle. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up to my video and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of the hair tutorials, please do leave your suggestions or ideas in the comment section down below. I'll be so happy and grateful to hear from you guys. If not, you can come hang out with me on my Instagram social media. Do follow me and come say hi to me if you're coming from my YouTube channel. I will be so happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Falling, oh I fought so hard for you.